Namaste and welcome to my classes. Today I came with a computation of GST on goods with formula example. Look at the illustration number 8. Shri Gopal of Davangere has made the following supply for the month of January. Exercise books and graph book. He made the supply for the month of January. Clear? Exercise books and graph books. The textbooks is exempted from the tax and exercise book, graph books are taxable. So this one is a taxable supply. Now come to the another one. Textbooks is exempted supply. This one is taxable. Stationery is taxable. Visiting card taxable. Slates, chalk exempted. Clear? Religious picture taxable. Newspaper, magazine which is not taxable under GST. Sports goods taxable. Newsprints taxable. Diaries and calendar taxable. From out of this supply only textbooks and also the slate, chalk sticks and newspaper and magazines are tax free. Now come to some additional information given here. Cash discount allowed rupees 20,000 on supply of textbook. Textbooks is exempted and the discount also will not be considered here. Okay, no need to take or no need to consider this adjustment. Now come move on to the second one. Sports goods have been supplied to the dealer of Kerala. The supplier situated in Davangere, Karnataka, and sports goods 2,75,000 worth is supplied to Kerala. It is a interstate transaction. IGST is applicable. Rupees 8,300 has been charged additionally for truck freight against stationery. Now stationery is 4,70,000. Additional charges will applicable. It is a addable item at the time of calculation. Now GST charged on above supply includes. Look at the word. It includes. In this item the GST will include. We need only a taxable value and after that we calculate the GST. But here the GST is already included. We want to first exclude it and after that we have to analyze the taxable GST and after that on the taxable we apply the GST rate. Here the GST rate is 12%. Okay, now come to the calculation. Computation of taxable value of GST, exercise books and graph which is taken. Textbooks are exempted. Stationery which is an adjustment. 8,300 additional for the freight. It is taken here. 4,70,000 plus 8,300, that is 4,78,300. Visiting card taxable, slate, chalk sticks are exempted, religious picture taken, newspaper, magazine which is exempted, sports goods. It is definitely IGST, still it is considered in the taxable turnover. Now newsprints which is taxable, diaries and calendar taken and add these items, you will get total which is total turnover which is including GST value. Okay, including GST value. Now come to the GST which is included under the bill 58,000 which is given in adjustment. GST charge on the above supply included 58,000. You have to first deduct from the bill. Okay, because it is collected from the customer. 58,000. Now total taxable value of supply is 15,43,300. Now separately you have to add GST. GST on transaction of interstate, GST on transaction of intrastate. Out of the 15,43,300, 2,75,000 supplied to Kerala. Okay, no need to divide the CGST and IGST. You have to directly take at 12%, that is 33,000. For the within the state of Karnataka, deduct it from the 15,43,300 minus 2,75,000 and you will get the 12,68,300. Apply the intrastate supply of CGST and SGST. 12 divided by 2, 6% CGST and 6% SGST, and you will get this amount and apply to this, and you will get the 1,85,196 rupees, and add it, you get the taxable invoice value. Okay. In this problem you have to analyze whether GST is included or not included. Let's check another problem in a similar manner. Pancham and brother is a cloth merchant. Following are the particulars of supply to the dealer. The cloth merchant. The supply of the cloth is 4,50,000. Bedsheet and the pillow cover. Cloth is taxable. Bedsheet is taxable. Ready-made garment is taxable. Hosiery taxable. Towels taxable. And the books. No mention of which book, so it is exempted. Now it is clearly mentioned excise books, which is taxable. Okay. Now compute the total taxable value of supply. Value of supply includes 5% GST. Here also 5% GST is included. So you have to exclude it first, and after that apply the actual GST applicability. So where is the dealer? Is not mentioned. Now come to the computation of taxable turnover. Cloth, bedsheet, ready-made hosiery, towel. Look at this. Book is exempted. All other is taxable. Excise books is taxable. Now total it. You will get the total turnover including GST. It is misread, including GST. So first you have to deduct the GST. 5%, they mention the 5%. In the last problem you have seen they given the amount, but in this problem they given the percentage. So 10,05,000 into 5 divided by 105. 100% including 5% GST. You have to add 5%. 100 plus 5, 105. Divide and you will get this much of amount, 47,857, and deduct it, you get the taxable turnover. You can also apply on the above GST. Okay. Thank you.